Hey everybody, today I'm working on an 11 by 14 canvas and I plan on doing a double flip cup. And the colors I'm working with today, I've got Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta, FolkArt Champagne, I've got the Fine Touch Phthalo Turquoise, and the Fine Touch Violet. So I've got my cups. And I'm also going to be adding some 3-in-1 silicone in between layers in my cup. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start, I think, with the violet. I normally put white in the bottom, but I'm going to start with violet today. I'm not even using white unless I want to put it around the edges. We'll see. Alright, so we got that. I'm just going to go ahead and put like 2 drops in there right now. Oh, that one was 3. And let's see, then I'll do some champagne. I love this color. It always looks so pretty. Okay. And then I'll go with the magenta. This is one of my favorite colors too. Actually, all these colors are probably my faves. Phthalo blue also, I really like. Oh, that was 3. It's dripping out of there a little faster than I want. Now it's not coming at all. There we go. Oops, there's 3 again. Alright. And now we'll go with the phthalo turquoise. Put a little bit more champagne. Oh, that's a lot more in that one. And some more violet. Alright, I think I'm going to go with 1 more drop of silicone. Okay, 2 more drops. And just a little bit more on here. Move these out of the way. A little bit more turquoise, then I'm going to flip them. I just didn't want to leave the silicone on the top because if it hits the canvas first, it's going to leave empty spots. So alright, we'll go ahead and flip those. Ooh, looks pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lift the cup. Set there. And of course I got a bunch of bubbles. Like, why wouldn't I? Pop over with bubbles. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and tilt it. I really like this area right there. Looks really pretty. Tilt it a little slower. Okay. I don't know if I really want to lose that so much. Oh, darn it. I didn't really want to lose that, but oh well. Okay, I don't want to lose that, so I'm going to there we go. Hopefully that will help. No, I was just going to lose it right over the edge anyway. Oh well, thought I'd give it a try. Alright, that looks really pretty. Alright, I'm going to get my heat gun. Alright, we're going to go in for the close-up now. Turned out really nice. I love these colors together. They always blend really well. Like this spot right here, you can kind of see it's a little metallic-y. That's because the champagne, I'm not sure if I said that, the champagne was a metallic. But some of the spots, there's another spot, quite a few spots throughout, right in here, right over in this corner here. The champagne mixed with the others and gave it the metallic-y look. So it turned out really cool. Quite a bit of cells, especially once I used my heat gun. Of course, you know, they popped up. So, and there's just the right amount of the champagne color. It didn't take over like metallics do sometimes. So anyway, really happy with this. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.